What's up guys? In a market where budget smartphones are available in plenty, Infinix has come up with yet another model in this category. Infinix Hot 8 was available for purchase from the month of September, and this phone is priced at 7,000 Indian rupees, powered by Android 9 with a 4GB of RAM. The phone has 5000 mAh of battery. I have used this phone for a while, and in this video I am going to tell you whether this is a value for money phone for a low budget segment. Before starting the video, I want to thank the Himna Communication NR Road Chamarajpet Davangere for providing the devices for the review. Design. It has got striking sleek design with a rounded edges and a gradient color back. This is one of the better looking budget phones that you can find at this price segment. It offers a good grip and is relatively lightweight for the size. Both the fingerprint reader and face unlock work accurately and quickly. The only disappointment with the design that it has got a large 6.5-inch screen. The phone is little too big for one-hand usage. Display. It has got a nice display that packs a 6.52-inch HD plus resolution display with an aspect ratio of 20:9. It has 90.3% screen to body ratio. The color output is decent and the sunlight legibility is good too. Overall, this is one of the better displays you will see in this price segment. Software. XOS UI is a decent Android skin and is smooth to use and has a few useful features too, like the dedicated smart panel to the left of the home screen for widgets and shortcuts, and the intelligent voice broadcast can read out a lot of things for the user like cricket scores, news and SMS as well. The disappointment with the software is that it does pack a lot of bloatware like spammy notifications. Performance. It gave a decent performance for day-to-day use with the Helio P22 chipset, which is similar to like Snapdragon 625. You can use it for gaming but not for heavy gaming. You can play PUBG but at low graphic settings. In terms of overall performance, this phone doesn't perform like Redmi 7 or Realme 3i, which were far better in performance. Camera. It has got a decent triple camera setup, packs 13MP primary sensor plus 2MP of depth sensor and a low light sensor. The primary camera gives reasonably good shots in the daylight. The sharpness and the details are decent, though the consistency is an issue. You can see some of the pictures here that I have taken from this camera. Selfies come out nicely too, but the beauty mode can make the pics look unreal, so it's best to turn it off. Coming to another important aspect, that is battery. This phone has got an excellent battery life with a 5000 mAh of battery. You will get easily 2 days of use on a full charge. Verdict. The Hot 8 is another reliable budget choice from Infinix, offering a good specification price ratio, allowing it to stand up to the tough competition from Xiaomi and Realme. As long as performance is not a major concern, you are not into gaming, it's worth of considering. As long as performance is not a major concern, like that you don't want to use it for gaming or for heavy use, then this phone is worth considering. So this is my review about the Infinix Hot 8. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.